In this video, we'll be showing you how to panel your drawings. Some location they can call it title block, but in this video, making use of the name panel. So how to panel this your drawing. In another video in this course, we have already showed you how to create a cover page. So the cover page is used for the perspective or the render design of the building. Now these are the working drawings which you have done. So what's left to do after you have finished your working drawings here is to panel the drawing, is to panel the sheet, is to label the sheet, to label it, just like how we paneled or create a cover page using these pictures. So we're going to do almost the same thing for this working drawing I've done already. Now the panel comprises of the note sections. In the note sections, we write some details concerning the design or concerning the project. It also comprises of the client name and the location, just like how we did on the other video of create a cover page. The panel also comprises of the design firm details, the design firm name, their location, their other services, and their contact information. Right now, I'm going to show you how to panel this drawing. I'm going to make use of line to create the panel. So we're going to increase the thickness of the line to be around 0.5. It's going to be a solid line. So we'll make use of 50,000. We'll make use of 30,000. Repeat the same process here. Let's beautify this edge. Offset of 1,000. Control Shift D. 1,000. So we can join all these together using intercept. So having done this, next thing we're going to do is to create the area for approval column. Now, one thing I want you to know is that design of panel can differ. So the panel I'm going to design now is just going to be the details will be at the down part of this drawing, while the approval column will be around it, will be at this side, at the right hand side. But some panels might not even have approval column, which the panel will just be at the right hand side, while all this area will be left for the design. So design of panels can differ. You can see different kinds. Don't feel that yours is wrong. As far as it comprises of the detail with the important information needed, that is what matters. So create an approval column, Ctrl Shift D of around 6,000. So having done that, then we can now start with the drawing proper. All these things can still be readjusted as we continue. So let's create the area for notes, Ctrl Shift D. Notes can be around 10,000. You can still come back to re-edit. The area for client name, location can still be around 10,000. The area for company information can still be around 10,000. Then we have all these areas for drawing title and everything. Okay, let's continue. Ctrl Shift D. Let's create the area for the height of 7,000. Having done this, we can trim off all this. Having trimmed them off, then we can just start writing immediately. Make use of text. Start choosing the font we want. Let me change this color, my title color, to be red. So we have a note, and choose to change my font type to. After writing notes here, I'll come to text again. After writing number 1, I want to change the color to black. So having done this, then these are the most important 7 notes I make use of. Notice that there's still some need of space. They will have to adjust this line now. This will be project slash client slash location. So right here, proposed residential development for Jim Bona Sule at Zakwa, Kafanchan, Jema local government area in Kaduna State, Nigeria. You can understand what we're doing here. So proposed residential development for James Bona Sule at Zakwa, Kafanchan, Jema's local government area, Kaduna State, Nigeria. So we are done here. The next phase is now the complaint detail. If the complaint has a particular logo design, a graphic design that contains everything that they need, like the logo design, their location, their phone numbers, their contact information, you can just carry this design and paste it here. But if they don't have it, you can just write it. So this is the design. So we just bring it, then minimize it down. Then we just paste it here. So this is how the design works. But just to make this more beautiful, so make it of fill, make it more attractive, change the fill to foreground. You can do something like this. So having done that, I can make it of line now, maybe a more faint line. Just make this place be more attractive. Then we'll carry this design. We'll carry your design and you place it here. So this particular thing now is covering everything we need. You can see Archiniers construction company, navigating imaginations, experience, expertise, excellence. What do they have or what do they do? Architects, engineers, surveyors, builders, and developers at the location and the contact information, the social media handles. You can see that everything is here. So if peradventure this design is not available, I will just use text and type all this, neglecting the logo. Drawing title to make use of line again. Yeah, like this. So we'll make use of line again just to divide this into sections. Ctrl Shift D, 2, 3. Ctrl Shift D, 2, 3. Having done this, I will divide this into 2. Having done this, we'll then trim off all these ones. And then make it of these ones to make this one longer. Ctrl Shift D, around 3000. I'll trim off this. So let's just know what is this drawing title doing. So this drawing title will make use of text and write here ground floor plan. So the next sheet will have drawing type. So the drawing type is architectural drawing. Then Ctrl Shift D. Also have sheet number. Then Ctrl Shift D. We also have dates. Ctrl Shift D. We have design. So design, we're going to write the name of who designed it. So we have any name you choose to use. Goswell Madu Abuchi. Then the next is drawn. Then the last is checked. So drawn by can still be the same person who designed it. Check. If there's nobody that checked it, we just neglect that for now. So this other space down here is drawing number. Now for drawing number, the architectural drawing is actually the first drawing, right? So drawing number remains 01 because architectural drawing is the first drawing. So we have scale. In this drawing, since we are not printing to scale, Since we are putting the foot to paste, you can write not to scale. Do some things like this that might be needed maybe in the development agency. Initials, Ctrl Shift D. We have this as revision initials. So this is just how a panel sheet is being designed. Why this space left for here is now for the seal. Is now the where the seal is going to be. If this drawing happens to be in Nigeria, the seal here is going to be an Archon seal, Architectural Regulation Council of Nigeria. This seal of registered architects will be here. So if it's your country, you guys have your own regulation agencies. So this is how the panel is going to be. Then at the stop area, you can choose to just write here, Ctrl Shift D, approval column. Now we are done with the panel. We are done with the panel of this sheet. We have paneled this sheet successfully. So right now we can start placing it on the panel. So we'll bring it here. Once we bring it here, you can see the size is not enough. What are we going to do? Just resize it. Resize it. Make it more bigger. So move to the next one. So once I highlight this panel, just come to this side, highlight the top like this, then come to the down and highlight it like this. So we have highlighted everything in the panel. Ctrl Shift D. Let's panel the roof plan. So we'll change this to roof plan. The sheet number becomes 3. Then we highlight the panel. Move over to section. Let's resize it. Having done this, then we can stretch this ground floor layer offset edge to this edge. And stretch the other one to this edge. So this one becomes section AA. The sheet number becomes sheet number 4, which is section BB. So it becomes section BB. Sheet number becomes sheet number 5. Then move to the next one, which are the elevations. Ctrl Shift D. Start with the front elevation, which is the first elevation. So resize, and it becomes front elevation, the drawing title. Then the sheet number, this is 6. Then move to the next one, Ctrl Shift D. You have the right elevation. The next one, which is the back elevation. Sheet number becomes 8. The left elevation, this left elevation. Sheet number becomes 9. Most of the times, usually used to be the last sheet, doors and window schedules. Doors and windows schedule. Sheet number is 10. So this is the last sheet in these working drawings. So right now let's panel the site plan. Ctrl Shift D. The site plan, we didn't panel it at the first time, so resize it. Panel site plan, one of the biggest drawing, so it has the biggest size. So resize again. Site plan, this is drawing number 101. We are done paneling this drawing from the site plan to down to the next drawing, which is the ground floor plan. We have the roof plan, the 2 sections, sections AA and section BB. After this, we have the 4 elevations, and then we have the doors and windows schedules. So right now you have learned how to panel your drawings and how drawings are to be numbered and arranged. So check out other videos to understand other things.